Okay, we're gonna walk down that street right there. It's called Rua dos Bombaxes. It has this really cool sounding name. And this street right here is a little rotunda. So we're gonna exit the rotunda and go down the hill towards that mountain over there. That's our plan. And we're gonna be leaving this little rotunda area that's just filled with these One Oasis apartments. And I'll talk about those as we go down our target street. But yeah, that's all One Oasis. Pretty cool. Okay. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so let's go down this way. Yeah, this One Oasis, these are these tons of apartments. Very, very popular with expats because they're pretty good prices for how big they are. And it's also a community, and it's also good for kids. So yeah, this is called the One Oasis. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down our street, and that street right there is gonna go out of it. And there's a few streets that go in and out, and this is one of them. And we're gonna take it. And it basically goes directly downhill towards that mountain that's in the distance. One of the things I'm noticing already, yeah, it's very, very family vibe. So you got kids, people walking dogs, and all these kind of big, massive apartment buildings with giant windows. So this is probably the best view. That's our street sign, but we'll see it when we get down to the base as well. Okay, so let's go down. Yeah, I haven't really filmed in this area so much, so I've actually never filmed this particular street. But we're gonna film it today. And we're gonna go down to the down the street. I think the street is kind of short, so basically this complex is kind of interesting because it does have the nice rotunda in the middle part, and then the clubhouse is right there and everything as well. And it's kind of up on a hill a little bit too, so if we could view over there, we would see the waterfront, and it kind of goes down over in that direction. Get some beautiful trees right here. Yeah, and actually up in that mountain over there, there's a beautiful temple and a nice giant like statue. I don't know if statue is the right word, but shrine. It's like a big massive figure. I think it's a male. It's like kind of like, looks like Guan Yin is the female goddess of the fishermen, but there's another one, and I think it's I don't know the name of him, but anyways, it's right up that way. So yeah, this little street right here goes all the way down to the Coloane beaches, and that's not our target street, but it goes down that way. And then that one goes up into these beautiful Coloane trails right here, and this one is basically One Oasis. And our target street is this one. Rua dos Bombaxes. One of the coolest names I've ever seen. So yeah, that's Rua dos Bombaxes. So we're just gonna let this car go, and then we're gonna walk down that just a little tiny ways. So yeah, Bombaxes is a short little street, but I do have kind of a desire to film every street at least once in Macau and capture it on film and record it exactly what it looks like in time. So I don't think this is going to change much over time. I think it'll probably stay the same for a very long time. So I kind of feel like you could look at that again in 30 years and it'll probably basically be the same. Most likely. I don't know what would happen that would make that any different. Something would have to happen to One Oasis altogether, something disastrous. legendary, but I don't see that happening at all. It's a really nice building, nice structure. Okay, anyways, so we're right on we're in this area called Coloane, and that's one Oasis. All these, there it is right there, one Oasis. And that was Bombaxes. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.